Why? 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 Why?
Is this thing even on? How do I even stream? I don't know. Is this... Oh, no, this shouldn't be here. This should be like this. Oh my gosh.
Garbage.
100%. I don't... Streaming is difficult, okay? I didn't stream for like 6 weeks. And now I'm all out of practice. And it's your fault, chat. It's your fault. T. Drayson, thank you very much for the 31 months. I appreciate that. And Yost, thank you for the 21 months. Would either of you like to christen the new Mask of Subscription for March? It is quite a long time. It's a very long time. I have to actually look when my last stream was. Let's go look when my last stream was. Let's go check. I think it was... No, that's not it. Twitch broadcasts. Let's go take a look. 29th of January.
Why? Why? Why?
29th of
Why?
January.
Why? Why?
How many weeks is that? Let's count. That's... Oh no, actually it was the second. Actually it was the second, but I didn't save the VOD. But it was that week. Which is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, it's actually only a month. Wait, it's only a month? Feels like longer. It feels like way longer. I'm going to be streaming for more than just a week, Steffi. I will be taking a break at some point again, but only for holidays, so it's all good. Pick a color top of the forehead. I think there's an issue with your monitor. The bottom right corner has been chopped off. Yes, it has been chopped off. It's magic. Pink on top lip. Okay. I could pick a color for Yoast. Yoast, I'm gonna pick this color. Whatever that is. That's your color. Top of the forehead. Top of forehead. It's like here. Wait. Do you have a SCH? Yes. Whew. There we go. Yost, there you are. Hi, Ian. Good to see you again. And of course, T. Drayson wants pink. Knoppers. Knoppers are amazing. Pink on the lip. Oh. Hold up. There you go. T. Drayson, your name is now on my lips. This is the only thing I shall be talking about. That's not true. Thank you very much for your support, as usual. I am very appreciative. And of course, the charity that receives money at the end of the year is also very appreciative. Ian, how are you doing? It has been a month, at least. This stream setup is old. Yes, it is. It's at least a day old by now. Mimi Two Shoes, you want to be on the left cheek in purple, but you didn't subscribe. But I'll give you a pass, Mimi Two Shoes, as an exception. Left cheek, here, right here. Okay. The stream setup is actually a day old, T. Jason. Here's the purple you're getting. This is the purple. Okay?
Why? 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 Why?
Why does Mimi Two Shoes get a pass? Well, I think of anyone in this stream, Mimi Two Shoes puts up with all of my shenanigans and crap. There we go. Thank you very much, Mimi Two Shoes, for allowing me to write your name on the mask of subscription. Well, it's not a secret. It's not a secret, but no one has noticed, other than the people who already know. So maybe we'll have to talk about it again later. Because all of you regulars in the Discord already know. That's right. T. Drayson was the first person to see it firsthand. What a dad joke. So you may have noticed that my setup is a little bit different. I have gone from something, I don't know what the setup, what you would call it before, but I've gone from this extreme, crazy overloaded setup with lots of interaction possibilities to something a bit more dialed back. I wouldn't say it's boring, but we have reduced the interaction possibilities significantly. I will be adding some things back slowly. I just didn't have enough time to do everything in one go. But some things will not come back. The spam command will still work. However, if it is abused, you will be timed out. So some things still work just as well. Attentive viewers will notice the difference.
Who's that Pokemon?
It's a panther chicken, is what it is. Exactly. So, you know, no, we didn't lose any memes in the great transition of 2024. We did not lose any memes. That I can say. It's very good. I'm very proud that we didn't drop any memes. Hello, Drunk Time Lord. Oh, hi to you.
Garbage.
Yeah, we didn't drop any memes, which is good. We have still the drop game. I haven't seen any of you play the drop game yet, but we still have the drop game in there. And what else? What else did I remove? I'm trying to remember what I removed. Actually, you could just look at channel points and then you'll know what works. Of course there's a meme of the day. What are you talking about? It's right there. It's right there on the screen. I can see it. Someone even used the command. Stream Elements posted. It was you, T. Drayson. Ian, thank you very much for the bits. 100 bits. Thank you. Oh, Kara. You managed to land. Congratulations. You got a 404 when you visit. What? No. No. It's totally fine. There's nothing wrong with it. There's nothing wrong with it. It's right here. See? I can see it. Cache issue. You're a cache issue, I would say. Wait, I should drop as well. I want to see if I can land. So tell me what you've all been up to, because we haven't seen each other in a month. And I'm pretty sure that all of you have plenty to talk about. Plenty. I have a lot of things to talk about. Oh, I did land, but it's not enough. Right there. I did land, but it's not enough. I have a lot of things to talk about, but I won't talk about all of them today.
Same day delivery.
I think someone is watching me work. I'm collecting evidence.
Man in the world.
What do you mean someone is watching you work? Like supervisory software kind of thing? That's a bit creepy. Oh, I did want to check something. There's maybe a bit of a difference. So since we last saw each other, I have...
Stop it. Get some help.
I have the people, the Swiss, the Swedes, maybe some US folks. Do you mean in Discord, Yost? Is that what you're talking about? So since we last spoke, I have redone my desk setup, completely new, because I got a prompter. In case you haven't noticed, I'm actually reading chat from the prompter. It's pretty cool, which is nice. What else did I do? Yeah, I replaced the microphone. I changed up a few things. Yeah, I would call myself a nerd. Although, I think in another channel, someone's been calling me something else than a nerd, and it's been pretty good. Also, I should make the meme bigger. So, this is the meme of the day. It's not a secret. No, it wasn't loser. It was something a lot more affectionate. It's more affectionate. More leaning into my talents with data and analysis, you know? What was it? Right joint cutie. I don't ever want to be called a right joint cutie. That's terrifying. That's terrifying. What else? How do you even come up with this stuff? No, it's very specific. Wait. Oh, wait. If I had merch for it, maybe it would be easier to remember. How about that? Yeah, it would be easier if I could wear something and you would see my nickname on it. That would be very easy to remember. Right join is the best join, the only merch we want. You won't get merch that says that. It's just not going to happen. Because I can't print merch that has lies on it. I can't print merch that's a lie. It seems dishonest to you, you know? It's very dishonest. Also, what I realized is I didn't create a scene where it's only me and no desktop share. Maybe I should do that. Lie is relative. Lying is not relative. No, lying is not relative. Lying is not telling the truth. It's that simple. But anyway, yeah, so I rebuilt my desk. We had a really big project at work. which we finalized the first stage of, which is very cool. That's been very busy. That's kept me really busy. And what else? There's got to be something else. Oh, I traveled a bit. I went to the Swiss ski resort of Verbier. Verbier. If you're not familiar with Verbier. Looks like this. Like a lot of other ski resorts. I was at this hotel, the W, for an analytics conference. Oh, actually, now I need to update my page because it's not accurate anymore. See? Crap. Ah. I wish I could. Wow. I wish I could have a function that could just archive these old ones. But anyway. Yeah. Oh, what they call me. So. What they call me. Well, here's the thing, right? I actually found the reason I'm talking about Verbier or verbose. The reason I'm talking about Verbier is because I found merch of what they call me there at this data event. So if you don't know, there's a streamer in our Claw team named Trash Puppy. Do you know Trash Puppy? We could watch a little clip.
I still code sometimes. We gotta do Code Wars Day. I gotta pick that back up. Good thing Ruler's not here.
Okay. Anyway, Trash Puppy has a very cool community. And Trash Puppy's community, there's one person in particular in the community that found a nickname for me. And it is not the Oh Holy Data Kenobi. Can any of you guess what that nickname is? I'll give you a few guesses, chat. I'll do some guesses and we'll play the whole you're close, you're hot cold. We'll do like that, okay? Data Dog. What? Because I like bark at my code or something. No. It's not Data Dog. I would say that's a lukewarm guess. Lukewarm. Ian is stumped. Data Douche. No, it is not Data Douche. Data Dude. Was douche a typo? McDatameister. Oh no, MC. Sorry, I read that as like McDonald's. No, it's not that. It's not McDatameister. Maybe it's just easier. I don't think any of you are gonna get it. I don't think any of you are gonna guess it. You're lukewarm so far, but I don't think any of you are gonna guess it. Steffi might actually. Steffi's really good at guessing stuff. Coincidentally. I prefer the ones we are coming up with. Yeah, but you don't know the answer yet. You don't know the one that they actually use, and which is printed on a piece of merch that I have in front of me right now. Okay, here we go. Oh, that's right, Ian. That's right, Ian. They call me the Data Daddy. And I found this hat. And I was like, I need to have this hat. Like, this is the hat for my stream. So the thing is, we have to work out together, like, how should I wear it? Is this a good look? Like this? Is that okay? Because it's like a flat cap. I don't know if there's like a particular style. It should be a leather hat. What? Like this. Yeah. It's cool. My head's a bit wonky, but... So, TD, do you still like your nicknames more than mine? Oh! Ian, do you have a preference on which glasses? Because I have a... No preference. Okay. I have a preference. What can I say? Oh, these are dirty. Hold up. I gotta be able to see y'all. There we go. A little bit of bling never hurt nobody. This song is horrible. Sorry, I'm gonna change it. Bad one. So what you're saying is you want us to call you daddy. No, I didn't say that. I said data daddy. It's very specific. It's very specific.
Put my faith in data, information. Ones and zeros never lie.
Yeah. So that was pretty funny. I didn't expect to find merch at this conference, but I did. And that's pretty funny. But yes, in other news, if you have not heard, I am more attached than I was a month ago. What is your slogan? I don't have a catchphrase. I mean, ones and zeros never lie is a good catchphrase, I guess. But 2 weeks ago, married data daddy. I'm not married. However, I am engaged. Almost married. Yeah, it's close enough. For me, anyway. It's not the real thing yet. But it is true that 2 weeks ago, and you may notice this on my hand now, which was not there a month ago, Mimi Two Shoes asked me to marry her. And I said yes. Obviously. We've been together a very long time. And it was a given that I was going to say yes. So I am now tethered. Please explain your current relationship status as if it were a SQL command. Would you say she has the right join in mind? No, I don't think so. I do not think Mimi Two Shoes thinks about joins. If I had to explain our relation would be in the form of a SQL query. Very simply, let me write this for you. In the form of a SQL query, it would just be select 1. That's it. It would just be that. Now, why is it just select 1? You ask? Why is my relationship select 1? Because this in a SQL query returns 1, which is what we are. The two of us are effectively 1. So that is why. That is why. The cheesiest answer I could possibly give you, of course. Not 100%. Why is it not? Okay. I'm sure. Yeah, we're not married, but we are 1. That's the thing. You don't have to be married to be 1. So, I'm sure a lot of you are wondering, what are we doing today now that we're back streaming again? Well, other than all these really cool effects that I have, like I can just turn on the bunny cam. That's gonna get us a lot of views. Where does the extra mask go? All of you are such nerds. You know that? All of you are incredible nerds. Really incredible. No, basically the idea for today is to work on a little website that I built which is for next week. So next Monday, there's going to be a sponsored live stream hosted by yours truly, the Data Daddy. Do I walk through town with that hat? No, this hat stays at home firmly. So next Monday, we're going to be looking at a tool called Piwik Pro or Piwik. I'm not actually sure about the pronunciation. Piwik? Piwik? Oh, look at that! It's Stream Elements' timing is perfect. But yeah, effectively next Monday, we're going to have a sponsored stream where we install Piwik Pro onto a website. Now, because Piwik Pro is geared towards kind of measuring behavior on your website and stuff, I built a little website that we can use to, you know, play around with and stuff, because I'm not going to install it onto my personal site. Doesn't really make much sense. So we're going to install it onto another website that I built just for that purpose. Would be a shame if someone redeemed Bunny Suit for the sponsored stream. I'd actually have to talk to them about that. I don't know how they would feel about it. Let me note it down. Let me note it down for my list of questions. Whether I have to disable that redeem or not. Now, what is the, is that a real domain? DY? That can't be a real domain, is it? They'd surely like a bunny presenting their product. I mean, in theory, I mean, it just makes it more fun. I don't see why it really changes anything. Wait, .ny? No, wait, .ny can't be a domain. No way. Hold on a second. NYTLD. But there is NYC. I don't think you should be changing your stream. You are the content, not the data. What do you mean by changing my stream? How do you mean? I'm not really changing anything. I'm just using the opportunity of multiple OBS crashes to strip down OBS and do cooler stuff, or do cooler stuff with less. Disabling Bunny Suit redeem would deprive your loyal viewers. Oh, I see. That's what you mean. Well, then I probably can't do that, can I? Well, anyway, the point is that
Why?
What was I gonna say? I lost my train of thought. Why do you hold your bottle so awkward? Okay, here's the deal with this bottle, okay? This bottle has a handle. The handle is here, okay? The handle is here. It is perfectly positioned, right? It's a great handle. The spout is here, okay? That's where you drink out of. So when you hold the bottle with your right hand and you tilt it towards you, the spout is perfectly in front of you. However, if you hold the bottle with your left hand, the spout is on the top and not positioned where you can drink from. Therefore, I need to hold the bottle like this in order to drink from the spout. I'm looking for a left-handed bottle, or a bottle that isn't... Well, no, I can't reach that far over with my right hand without going completely off frame. So what I do is just hold it with my left. It also creates engagement, because now you've asked. Why I hold the bottle like that? So I'm creating engagement. So maybe you want to look at it that way, that I'm creating engagement. You look like a bouncer with the back black and black. Oh, I could be even more bouncer. Hold on. Could be even more bouncer. So yeah, this meme is great. Apple Vision Pro and Excel is going to be a game changer for analysts and accountants everywhere. Because pivot tables will never be the same when they're in spatial context for you. Of course, what people neglect to think about is that if you have errors in your spreadsheet, those errors will be just spatially in front of you. Just because you see something differently doesn't mean the errors go away. You look like someone who would ask for ID. Not with a Data Daddy hat. Not with the Data Daddy hat. But yeah, so I built a little website. It is not datadaddy.com. It is something entirely different. I built this site. And when I say build, what I actually mean is I downloaded a template. If you need a website, okay? If you need a website for your business, if you know someone who has a construction business, for example, you know someone who has a construction business and they need a website, you go online, you look for free X business template, you download it, you make sure it's Creative Commons, you make sure that you have the license to use it commercially, because some of them don't have that, but some of them do. And then you put it in a GitHub repository, you link it to Netlify, and voila, there's your website. It's that simple. It's that simple, chat. You don't need to actually build websites anymore. I'm sorry to tell you, but all the work has already been done. Every website that could be designed, every layout that could be found, has already been done by someone. So why would you try and just replicate someone else's work? Yost, what are you upset about? 92,000 points is... It's like 5 bunny redeems? Is it like 5? That's like 5 bunny redeems. But yeah, anyway, so the plan for today is to take this website here and to go through it with a little tooth comb and make some changes. For example, this thing here in particular. So I called it handy person because it could be a man or a woman. And yeah, I need to make those changes. So it's that simple. I'm just going to make changes to a website. That's what I'm doing. I'm learning how to stream again. I don't remember how to stream, okay? So give me a chance. Give me a chance to show you that I still know how to stream. Try ZipWP. ZipWP. Is this going to be like a scam site? Create a WordPress site in 60 seconds. I don't want a WordPress site. I don't need a CMS. I don't need a CMS. I'm doing cooking prep. Nice, Yost. What are you making today, Yost? Anyway, I'm keen to hear from all of you what you've been up to, because it has been a month since I've spoken to some of you. Let's make a little branch. Do we even need a branch? Nobody needs WordPress. Let's do a little branch. Git checkout. Branding update. Satay chicken with veggies and brown rice sounds delicious. I had curry for dinner. I ordered in because I was busy faffing around with OBS setups. Then you can use web to zip to get the static site from the WordPress site. Oh, I see. I see. Ah, so you do zip WP. Oh yeah, they should be flipped like this. So you do WordPress site, but I could just get an AI website builder without the whole WordPress part. Why would I use this one that has the WordPress part? The FAQ is always such a... Sorry, but like companies don't understand what FAQ means. FAQ stands for frequently asked questions. It means the questions that they get most often. Are you telling me that their number one question that they get is there an AI that can create websites? On a website about an AI that can create websites. I somehow don't think that's the number one question. And of course, they're just doing it so they can market their answer of like, oh yes, absolutely. ZipWP uses the power of artificial intelligence to help you build stunning WordPress websites effortlessly within 60 seconds. It's annoying. It's Latin for ways to make people buy our product faster. Can AI do web design? Of course, absolutely. But anyway, then you can use web to zip to get the static site from the WordPress site. Easy editing. Fast advertising queries. Checks out. Yeah, the nice thing about the scene flip thing. Also, hi Kara, and the rest of you watching and lurking. The nice thing about the tile layout that I've done is if I do something like this, if I do a clip for White Panther, it knows that my camera's here, so it
redemptions are
plays it
too
there.
cheap. So they go.
And if I swap, it swaps. Isn't that cool? It's pretty cool. It also means that I can do, if I want privacy, I can just cover my face with bunny cam. But I probably do need a scene that's just me, I guess. Like this, but bigger, you know, where there's nothing in the corner, where this isn't here in the corner, you know. I guess. Yeah. Visionary. I don't know if it's visionary, but is it using finite stuff? Some of it, yeah. I mean, I'm using his blur filter. Everything else is just actually. I think the rest is actually static. I think. The cool thing is that you can all change the background. I don't know if any of you have actually noticed that yet, but you can actually change the background like this. And previously, this background was actually here, right? In this section. And I got rid of that for a few different reasons. Anyway, so let's talk about changes. So I want to make some changes. I want to make some changes to this site. I want to make a few changes. The first change I want to make is I want to change this handyman thing. So that's probably on... I wonder where that comes from. Handy. So if I go to any page, it's on there. Index HTML. Ah, okay. Yeah, that works. Let's just come up with a new logo. Why not? So I want to replace this bit here. Hold on. So this was like this. Let me go look for another page, like contact. So on contact, I want to replace the strong, handy, blah 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 bit. So we're gonna do a search replace with our new logo. Four occurrences. Only? How strange. Okay, so here, here, here. Oh, there's no projects page. Oops. What happened to the projects page? I guess it's in the menu, but it's not there. There's a blog. The blog has a different thing, which is strange. 2, 3, 4. Okay. That works. Okay, I'm gonna get rid of the projects one. Where's the projects thing? Here it is. Okay. So that was on the home. Then we have to do it on the about page. Get rid of the projects. And then on the services page, then on the blog, get rid of it as well. Okay. And then contact. Contact. Okay. Perfection is always in our mind. All about perfection. I remember why I don't wear hats anymore. Get too warm. But now my hair is all going to be messed up, chat. That's fine, whatever. Nice. Okay, so I want to replace actually handyman with handy person. So I can just do this. Search for this. And then huh? Where'd the replace go? Where did the replace go? Files to exclude. Chat, where did replace in files? Ah, here we go. Okay. Boom, handy person. Okay, so now I would like to update a couple of the photos, and for that I was thinking maybe we will use AI, like this one for example. Could do that. Where is this photo coming from? Where is it? Chat, you alright? What's going on? I mean, I'm not a huge fan of the slogan either, but I'm not sure which photo this is. Images. Hero 1. There it is. Hero 1. So it should be on the index somewhere. Waiting for rice to cook. Brown rice takes a long time, doesn't it? From what I remember. Index. Hero 1. It's not even a style. It's in the FTCO cover 1 overlay. Slightly losing my mind over what my bonus will based on for this year. Why are you losing your mind over that, Kara? Is that a big factor for you? Does it make up like a big part of your salary? I hope not. But I guess it has to be, I mean, 15%. Okay, that's pretty significant. 40 minutes for brown rice, yeah. That's what I remember. Are you using a rice cooker? Or are you using a pot, Yost? We're actually aiming to get a rice cooker. I actually want to get one. Want to get one soon. So let's just find an alternative image. How big is this image? Hero 1. Reveal in Finder. This image is 1900 by 1267. I mean, those female hands? Those might be female hands. I would just like the cover image to be a different one. I don't want it to be his face. Oh, the title is Generative AI Initiative. No plan to it, just literally throw AI at something. And your bonus will be based on that? Then you should pick something easy. Well, then you should just pick something that you know is gonna work. Kind of no-brainer thing. Maybe not so straightforward, but that's what I would do. I would pick an easy thing. Ooh! Sorry, I'm not used to streaming. The assessment is how the executives feel about it. Ooh. Then it's time for you to make friends and influence people. You know what? Let's go get an image from Pexels. That's way cooler. Job site. I don't know what we were looking for. Oh, nice. Okay. Some pretty cool construction photos. Oh, let's do building instead. No, no. We need construction. Yeah, perfect. We just need something that's... Ooh, that's a bit noisy. Nice. A big crane thing. What are those called? I don't know what they're called. Okay, so we're gonna call this Hero 1 Old. Excavator. Thank you, Kara. Excavator. Hero 1 JPEG. 1.5 megs. Ooh, we need to compress that. Image compressor. Huh? 1.5 megs? Couldn't get anything less? Wow, okay. Then we'll just keep the original. No problem. Okay. Oh, I need to change the title of the website. Title of the page. I also want to, I want to change the slogan first. Hold on. Perfection. Here we go. I want to change the slogan. The slogan should be dig deep to find the answers you're looking for. We dig deep to find answers. Is that a good slogan? Is that a good slogan, chat? Okay. The title of the page is Handyman. There we go. Title. Gonna search for this, and we're gonna replace it with handy person. Oh, I forgot there's a dash in there. Handy person and M dash welcome. Okay. Cool. Okay. That's good for me. Alright. Chat, it is almost time to take our first break. on an hourly schedule as Twitch wants us to for the ads. So get your drops in while you can, chat. Get your drops in. And we will take a 3-minute break as usual. And then we will come back and we will continue to adjust this website. I need to make sure the forms work with Netlify. That's something we need to do. So this one here, this form. I need to check some other stuff too. Maybe need to check the blog pages. Not really sure. The contact form as well. Yeah, so we'll definitely need to do that. Oh, there's like stuff down here. Testimonials? Probably need to update the footer. Or not. I don't know. Maybe we don't need to. Anyway. See you in 3 minutes, chat. Let's see if this works.
Maddie's stream is incredibly exhausting.
Exhausting. I'm tired already.
I don't know if you've seen that, but there is a long bunny that you can make very, very long if you so wish. Yes, exactly, chef. I think the maximum was like 16 or something. It's quite funny. So I came up with card select, card flip, and card state. What I want to say is this. Thank you for the follow, John the Home. I'm back, chat. If you want to clip that. I need to... I need to reverse the logic, basically. I need to reverse the logic. I'm not sure why it is that way. Oh, I love this chat. 5 out of 7, this is the perfect Maddie. With googly eyes. Oh no! What? I'm melting. No. Thank you, Forex. That wow, Karen. Karen is absolutely wrecking today with the beats. Congratulations, Karen.
Wait, for maximum effect. For maximum effect. Hold on. Hoi zusammen. Ich bin das Häsli. Ein kleines Häsli. Wo Schweizerdeutsch kann. Ihr habt mich nie gehört Schweizerdeutsch reden und das erste Mal, wo ihr Schweizerdeutsch gehört von mir, ist es einfach so. Als Häsli.
Trying to use the state library.
There were a couple really good ones.
No.
What's that, 11?
That's
11?
10 now? How many is that?
Are you happy with yourself, J. Walt? Oh, I did like a 9949 Modulo 360, bruh. Amazing. Absolutely incredible. And I landed that after like a sweet kickflip. Divided by 0 to 600 trips. Oh, Karen is beatboxing for us. Wow, Karen laying down a fat beat. Thank you, Karen, for that amazing performance. I had no idea that Karen could beatbox. Didn't see that coming. Thank you very much, whoever that was. I heard the sound. Woo! First and first again. Questknock, you're doing pretty well today. 29 degrees. I'm very pleased with how that turned out. Hello and welcome back. Which Swiss German clip was that, Joost? Which one was that? Are you gonna land again, Kara? Ooh, that was very close. Almost made it that time. I was trying to search for the term that I was trying to search for the word before. I was explaining to Mimi Two Shoes in the break about how I want to add this radius to the outside of these shapes so that they look like they're more standing out from the background, and I couldn't remember the name. It's drop shadow, right? That is the actual name. Drop shadow? Yeah. Drop shadow. I want to add drop shadow, or like a border at least, so that these shapes have a bit more, yeah. Yes, and Finite has the plugin for it, and I already installed the plugin for it. I just forgot to do it. Yeah. Oh, Hasley. I like the Hasley clip. Let's get back to it. Let's get this sorted. Okay, so we have an excavator thing, and there's a form here. Although I saw that this footer doesn't really work. I don't think it matters so much, actually. I don't think it matters. So let's do, if you have project in mind, get a quotation. So this is on the homepage. Project. You want to find answers. We'll dig for you. Get a quote now. Okay. Get quotation. Get offer. This cooking sauce pouch says it was best used by December 22. Should be done. Should be fine. Depends what the ingredients are, Yost. Anything that has like a ton of preservatives in it, it's probably fine. Not a lawyer. Just protecting myself. Okay, so we have to make this a Netlify form. Peanuts? That's it? There's just peanuts in it? I think it's fine. Netlify forms. You ate a dab. How did you eat a dab? You just like eat a dab? It's impressive. In the Netlify UI, go to forms. Demo handy person. Enable form detection. Okay. Form detection is enabled. HTML forms. Form name contact. Here we go. Data Netlify equals true. Okay. So form. We have to add a name. Name equals get offer. Thank you, Jay Walter. It is actually my Twitch affiliate anniversary as well today, yes. It is indeed. I only realized it, when Twitch asked me to set a date for it, which was at some point last week. And I completely forgot about it. How are you doing, Jay Walter? No one landing in the drop game, as usual. With my finger to check, you already threw it away. With my finger to check, it didn't taste too off. Okay. Button type, submit, send message, blah blah blah. When Netlify parses the static HTML for a form, the build system automatically strips the attribute and injects a hidden input name form name. Okay. All right. Cool. Doing pretty fine. Glad to hear that. We have to check the form somehow. For that, we're gonna need to push the build. So it's a good thing that we did a PR. Let's just add everything. So this form should now work on Netlify. Let's take a look. Let's make this a PR. Git commit. Updated styling and naming. Added form. Added offer form syntax. Okay. That's going to give us a nice little PR to make. There we go. So let's make a pull request out of that. Now Netlify, with the pull request, Netlify is automatically going to create a, whatchamacallit, branch deployment. Netlify is automatically going to create a deployment from the PR, which is really good because it means that I can check that it's working before deploying to production. So I can see a version of the site. That's what this is here. I can see a version of the site before anybody else sees a version of the site. And that's really good. So we're going to go here, deploy preview. You can see here the deployment is happening. It takes a few seconds. Usually for static HTML sites, the deployment is like maybe a minute at most. And once it's done, you can go to a specific URL that it gives you to check what your site looks like. And that is how to also test forms, because you can't test a form locally, at least. I don't think so. Can you test a form locally? I don't know. Okay. Person man. Person. Hello, I want to dig a giant hole. Tell me how much it will cost. Okay, thanks. Bye. Send. Okay. Did it work? Haha! Get offer. No submissions. Maybe because it didn't actually post. Maybe because it didn't actually post it. Hold on a second. Method. Ah, yeah. Post needs to be in there. So unfortunately I have to do this again. So when I push this now again to the branch, there's already a PR. So what it does is it adds that stuff to the existing PR. And it redeploys the site, which is cool. See here, building. Uploaded. Open deploy preview. Let's try again. Hello, person. I want to dig a giant hole, please. Send. Your form submission has been received. Ah, that's more promising. Now I go to my forms. Yes! Get offer. Oh. The data is not good. Okay. That's not good. I think we need to... That's not good. Why is there no data in it? It's so weird.
I put my faith in data. Information.
Why is there no data in it, chat?
Ones and zeros never lie.
Why is it empty? Oh, 98.11. Not bad. Oh, right. I forgot about that. Today's drop game goal. 99.96 or above. $99.96 or above. I think I counted correctly. 4 streams? Yeah, it's probably right. Goes down by 0.01 every single stream. Forms. Form. Label. Input name equals. Ah, there's no name. There's no name. Input name equals name. Name equals email. Name equals message. Git add, commit, added naming to form fields. Push it again. Deploys. Starting up the deployment. We just have to wait a few seconds every time. It's a little bit annoying, but if someone knows how you can test the form locally, I would love to know that, because the last time I did this, if I do here, if I do like whatever, email address. And then I do send message. Oh. See? It just gives me a 4, well, it doesn't even give me a 404, it just gives me a 405 actually. Open deploy preview. Let's try again. .com. Dig me a giant hole, please. Thanks. Your form submission has been received. Let's see. I close the page. Haha! There we go. Perfect. Works. Alright. Delete submissions. Very good. So we have one form, get offer. Now we're gonna have a second form on the... Where was it? In the contact form. Yeah. So let's go to the contact form page. Contact. Also, what's cars? Wait a second. What's cars? Are for rent cars. Huh? Oh, this is like... Oh, this is cool. Equipment. Oh, we could turn this into a... We could turn this into a different one. We could turn this into our for rent equipment. Like, you could just book equipment. Oh, we should totally do that. I really want to do that now. Okay, let's do the other thing first. Let's do the contact form. Although we already have a form. We already have a form. Whatever, we'll just do two. Okay, second form. Contact page. Chat, you're awfully quiet today, which is nice. I will not complain. But if you want to know anything, like, as always, you can just ask away. You don't need to be afraid. I'm not gonna bite you. I won't. Here's the form. Form action. Method. Post. We need a name in the form. Name equals. Contact us. We can cheat a little bit from the other one. See what we did there. Oh, that's the about page, sorry. Index. Form action, blah, 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 name. Netlify equals true. Alright, what's that tool you use on your stream a lot to explore data using SQL? Browser-based. Ah! That is called Count. Browser-based. So Count sits on top of your data warehouse. So you can use it with... I think Count supports most database now. Yeah, because exactly, canvases. So they're organized into canvases. Like each board or canvas, yeah. Okay, so we have a name equals first name. Name equals last name. Then we have a name equals email. And then a name equals message. Okay, so this one should work out of the box. Git add, git commit, added parameters for second form. Yeah, we actually so Jay Walter, we actually started we actually got count internally for the work that we're doing with our whole reporting and data analysis work, and yeah, it's been really great. Really good. Very fun to use. A lot of stuff is just really easy, whereas it might have been a lot more difficult with something else. Oh, I forgot to rename this. It should be last name. Let's check first and see if it works. So my name, Eminem. Yeah. Some kind of email. I need to dig a big hole this time. Send message. Submission has been received. Let's check the forms. Get offer. Oh crap. I forgot to rename it. But it works, so that's good. Contact us. First name, last name, email, address. Okay. Git add, git commit, updated parameters for form. Okay, we'll push that, that's fine. Good. So, the next thing to do is to do this cool cars page. What is this pre-pros 6 thing? I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is. Pre-pros 6. Does anyone know what that is, chat? Pre-pos 6. Pre-pros compiles your files, transpiles your... Huh. Compile everything. Interesting. Built-in server, network preview, automatic browser reload. Huh. I don't think I need that, do I? Okay, so what's about blah 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 services? What's this single page? There's also this single page here. Single blog post title. Ah. If I go to the blog and click one of them, it links to this single blog post. I see. Interesting. I didn't tag this comment thing as a form, but I'm gonna say it's probably not necessary. Just have to update the header because everything else is the same. Let's do that from the index page. Here we go, header. Go to single, header. There we go. Blog. And then you just have to remove the class active from that. Do they all link to the same one? Ooh, the font is different. Wait. Font is different. Where's that coming from? Oh, I wonder where that's coming from. Maybe I should replace like the whole top part then. So, you know, so that I don't get this mixed thing. I don't know if anyone's really gonna notice it. And I know it's like a demo site and stuff, but index. Can we do a diff between these two? Is that possible? From head until header. From head until header. Could just do like that. Fixed. Okay, some styling in the header then. Fine. Cars page probably has the same issue actually. Yeah, okay. So from head all the way down to the end of the header. From head all the way down to the end of the header. Okay. I need pictures of different whatchamacallit? I need pictures of different construction vehicles. Can anyone get me that? I need like, yeah, obviously there's only 6. I need 6 examples, chat. You have to do some work today. I need 6 examples of construction vehicles. I don't even know what properties we need to put. Doors, seats, transmission. Doors? We should change the specs. I'm just gonna randomly remove stars from some of these. So we got like doors. What is like rent construction equipment? Big rents. Okay, scissor lift. Here's 6 categories right there. Perfect. Wonderful. 6 categories right there. I'm gonna put this over here. You don't see it, it's fine. Oh, first of all, this page has to be called something else. Page has to be called... Okay, yes, that still works. Rename this to rent.
Garbage.
Another powerful reason for insisting on Intel Inside.
Want to dig yourself? We have a wide range of vehicles available to rent. Oh, I will tell you, chat, something that is annoying me, and I don't know how to fix it. I have an activity feed for stream elements in OBS, and it is in light mode. And I do not know how to get it into dark mode. I just can't figure it out. I logged in and everything, and it is in light mode. And I don't know how to fix it. So if you want to investigate that, be my guest. Oh, nice, thank you. What a relief. So what's funny is you see this like slight hue on the camera. That actually comes from the prompter. Hi, Soy Pete! Happy anniversary going on in this stream. You have so many things. What do you mean so many things? I don't understand. How you doing, Soy Pete? Oh! Thank you very much for gifting a sub to Sassy Catastrophe, Eat My Data, J Status 10, Thirsty Housewife, and I Eat Your Ice Cream. Thank you, Twitch, for designating those people. Check it out. Look at this hat I got, Soy Pete. Isn't that awesome? Isn't it great? Vision trouble? Oh no. Oh no. I can't code. It is from Skid. How did you know that? How did you know it was from Skid? How did you know that, Soy Pete? That's so cool. How did you know that?
People just need to get on their act and I mean, let's be fair. This repo, although can be used by anybody, is not being used by a single soul. If I'm the only one that cares, my approval is the only one that matters. And I approve.
I desperately seek your approval, Soy Pete. Because I think you're very cool. I think you're super cool. So I desperately seek your approval. Can I please have it? Yes! Thank you. Thank you for your approval. I can sleep peacefully now. Yeah, we're we're editing a website today called Handy Person, because next week I'm doing a sponsored stream of how to install tracking on your website using Piwik Pro for free. And so I need a demo website to show off what kind of stuff you can do. And I figured, you know what? Let's just do a little demo website thing. Good land, Kara. Not enough to win a prize, though. What have you been up to, Sophie? What was your last stream? Ooh, what is Jerry doing? Jerry, what are you doing? Crazy stuff. Chatbot OpenAI API with Zig. That's pretty cool. That sounds really interesting. That sounds fun. Sounds pretty fun. I can't see anything now. I need 6 construction categories. So I got it. Look at that, even same layout. Even the same layout. So I've got my 6 categories. You're gonna have, oh, you're gonna open source an LLM and have it talk to chat. That's so cool. I look forward to seeing that. J Waterbot's broken. Oh no. What a shame. We'll make my stream as fun as yours. Oh, don't be like that. I took out a ton of stuff from my stream. What you see right now is basically, that's it. There's nothing else. And your streams are great. Don't discount yourself. Don't undersell yourself. Your streams are great. When I catch them, time zones. But yeah. So let's yeah, let's I need 6 photos of construction things. Cause look, see? Want to dig yourself? We have a wide range of vehicles. Ooh, maybe we get another stock image in here. Construction vehicle. Maybe we can get like a cool thing, you know, with different vehicles. Why is this taking so long? Pexels, what are you doing? I can see it's loading, but like... Oh, also, Soy Pete, those 5 people, if they come in to the stream, they will get their name written on the mask of subscription. Just like T. Drayson did on the lips. So yeah, that's something we're gonna do. I don't know what's happening. Why is Pexels not doing? Oh, here we go. Ooh, okay, that's the wrong. Okay, I can't do both. Okay, just construction then. Something with lots of vehicles in it. Should we just AI generate one? Maybe. Well, this is cool. I actually like this. Let's get this. What is the name of this image currently? FTO cover, background image, Hero 2. Hero 2. Where was my thing? There it is. Images. Hero 2 old. And then we go here and call it Hero 2. And then plop it in the folder. Yeah, Cool. Nice. Hey, that's pretty nice, Chad. Aw, that's such a cute emote. That's such a cute emote, Sophie. I like that. It's nice. It's dancing. It's just dancing. It's really cool. Yeah. Wow, just straight down. Like, not even... Nothing. Nothing you can do. Okay, so... Um... 6 images of vehicles. I need scissor lifts. Let's do Microsoft. Microsoft, what's it called? Bing Image Creator. A cutout, what's it called? A product shot of a vehicle used for construction, transparent or white background, orange with cool logo. Might give us 4. Wow, very triumphant music. Oh, nice. I asked for a cool logo. If you ask for a cool logo, then that's what you get. A cool logo. Cannot get cooler than that. The coolest you can get. Okay, product shot of a vehicle used for construction. Let's create again. And hope it gives us a different vehicle. I'm hoping that the second time it gives us a different vehicle, right? It should. Oh, nice. Okay. What is this? What is this? I don't even know what it does, but it's cool. It looks really cool. I mean, it says cool. It must be cool. What's the bubble? I don't understand. Why is it in a bubble? I don't understand. This is also good. Download that. Who do I owe 20 bucks to? He's still alive. Hi, Forex. I don't know. Who did you bet with? Who did you make a bet with? That's the question. How many do we have? Wait, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. They're all kind of trucky though. They're all kind of trucky. Oh, more trucks. Oh, but this is really cool. I mean, that's really cool. Oh, but this is more accurate. Okay. Okay, we have to kick one of them out. Because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Perfect. How you doing, Forex? Have you been to any other Measure Camp events? I saw there was one in Bologna. I think it was Bologna. Okay, we're gonna replace all these shots. What is this? Image 1? Image 2? Yeah, okay. Alright, so they're image 1, image 2, etc. So let's rename these. Img 1. Oh, that's not what I wanted. Apprentice Alex, hello! Alex, how are you? Thank you for the welcome back to streaming. I have to say, I did miss streaming. I didn't miss most of you, but I missed streaming. I missed working on stuff where people could see what I'm doing and comment on it. I skipped Italy. Didn't have the energy for it, but I already have flights and housing for Spain. Ooh, very cool. Measure Camp Spain. Where in Spain is it? Is it Barcelona? Is it Barcelona? Madrid. Nice. Ooh, Amsterdam in April. I wonder if I can go to that. Split. Ooh, that's okay. That's cool. Split would be really cool. Croatia. Mid-May. I have to check if I can make that. 25th of May. Oh, I'm not going to be able to make it then. 12th of March ticket release. That's tomorrow. Amsterdam's expensive, yeah. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Measure Camp Zurich. To be announced. But yes, I will be attending 8th of June. Measure Camp Zurich. I will be attending it for sure. My parents met in Split. You always wanted to go. Really, Yost? That's cool. 8th of June. Put this in my calendar before I forget. All right. Man, I'm out of the loop on all the Europe events. Well, you know, the thing is, Soipy, you cannot justify flying transcontinental for one day. It is just simply, it's ridiculous. Like, no one would do that, right? So like New York, as much as I would love to go, I can't plan. Like, I'd have to make holiday plans, right? I have to make holiday plans, and then with those holiday plans, yeah. You're going to Copenhagen. Oh, shame on you. Shame on you. Are they already set up? Oh wow, they already have. Oh yeah, it's the 6th one. They already have everything set up. Crazy. It's pretty popular. Thank you, Ginny. Hi, welcome back. Good to see you again. We were just chatting about Measure Camp. Okay, so we have the images. I think we can just overwrite them. I don't think we really need to keep them. Like all of these. I don't know what those mean. I don't know what. Oh, wait. They're repeated. I don't know why they have like weird text stuff in there, but it's fine. We're just gonna override them. Okay. So, I just have to change the bottom 3. Ginny, how are you doing? And everybody else, welcome back to the stream. It's good to see you all. I am creating a little construction website with cool vehicles, as you can see. And for those of you who didn't catch it, I am also now firmly attached, engaged to my lovely partner, Mimi Two Shoes, who has since gone to bed. Who's probably not in chat anymore. Thanks very much. Thanks very much. 2 weeks ago, she asked. I said yes, obviously. Be an idiot to say no. I'd be an idiot to say no. So yeah, that's basically all the news that's fit to print, chat. I will be streaming again weekly, twice a week, Mondays and Fridays as usual, right here on Twitch, only on Twitch, nowhere else. And that's about it. Yeah, next Monday stream, we have a sponsored stream with Pivik Pro. If you have not heard of Pivik, then you can check them out. They have a free plan that you can try out to track your website for free. Privacy conscious, privacy aware, all that kind of stuff. Really cool solution. I encourage you to check it out. And next week we are gonna set up tracking on this website from scratch. This website currently has nothing, 0, no tracking. Current plan is for Spain, Paris, Copenhagen, Paris. Wait, 2 Parises? Czechia, Berlin, Slovakia, and Vienna. Yeah, Vienna was really cool last year. I would love to do that again. That would be really cool. But sorry, Pete, if you do come to Europe, then please let me know so that we can try and do a meetup of some kind. Europe is not huge like the US, so should be a little bit easier to arrange something. Okay, so we have our first I want to replace some stuff here, right? Because honestly, it's pissing me off. But basically, these are 4-star. Like, I want to replace images here. Hold on 1 second. Image 3. Here we go. Image 4. Image 5. Image 6. There we go. So these are our 6 cool vehicles available for you to do stuff. Pretty impressive vehicles if you ask me. Let's do a replace thing here. Let's change. What are the 4 specs we should have? Doors. Dig. What are the specs for this? I don't know. Like doors? What? Okay, doors. They're all 2-door. So that doesn't really make sense. May I share your good news to the community? Oh yeah, sure, Alex. I don't know if you saw. Actually, don't know if you saw. I talked to Long about this. I left the server. I left the server because it wasn't bringing me a lot of value. I really enjoy hanging out with all of you, but it wasn't bringing me a lot of value, and it was a lot of noise. I was getting a lot of notifications, a lot of things that I just didn't really care about so much. And some people in there who maybe align less with the phase where I'm in my life, because they're a lot younger, and yeah, so it wasn't really the right place for me a lot of times. Felt very out of touch with some of the discussions that were happening. Not to say those were bad discussions or anything like that, but I just couldn't. Yeah, it wasn't like the kind of right. Wasn't the kind of right fit for the kind of conversations I typically have. That's why I really like the Claw, because the Claw is really my tribe, my kind of people. I'm not saying like everyone in there thinks like me. That's definitely not the case. but it's a place where I have the chance to have conversations that I want to have and talk about things that I want to talk about, and also read about other people talking about things that I think are interesting. And a lot of people, yeah, I think for a lot of people it's just very different. So, but of course you can share. It's not I mean, I've said it on stream, so it's public. Yeah, I mean, I'm not like unfollowing all of you or something like that. Like, I'm very much I lurk in a lot of your streams still, obviously, like Hunger Mood or whatever, like she's gaming on the weekend, and I have some, you know, if I have some time, I'll definitely check into the stream and talk to people and stuff like that. Like, it's not like a hard cut or something like that. Yeah. So I need 4 criteria for these vehicles. Oh, doors, wheels, seats. Yeah, that's good. Transmission. Okay, so transmission I'm gonna change to wheels. I'm gonna change that. I'm gonna change this to wheels. Okay. The special question I was wondering about Pivik. I'd like to know the roadmap, because what I've heard, they're going to have a lot of very interesting news about how to work with data without consent and consents. When is the sponsored stream? I don't see it on the Twitch calendar. Next Monday. You should see it on there. It's not very obvious because Twitch isn't very good with that. Oh, look, I have the little hat. But here you go. Start measuring your website with Pivik Pro for free. Hashtag ad. So yeah, it'll be next Monday at this time. I don't know a single thing about their roadmap, but there may be someone from Pivik here then that you can ask. Oh, and we have ads. I will be back in 3 minutes after the ads.
Do you think this is fake? Do you think this whole thing is fake? How dare you? You is fake! Good throwbacks, chat. And throwbacks are very important because, chat, the quiz is all about knowledge of the community. So if you remember, the more stream lore you remember. Maddie, would you like to participate in the Concursillo de Junior to Senior? If necessary, we put it in English just for you. That sounds very interesting. I am very interested. I am very interested in that. What is it though? Before I say yes to anything, what is it?
I don't remember the details, but it was pretty bad. Hi, Owen. Welcome in. Good to see you again. 69420. That's a great angle. Perfect angle. Hello. And now I feel so much better that I'm here. I don't know if you've seen that, but there is a long bunny that you can make very, very long if you so wish. Yes, exactly, Chef. I think the maximum was like 16 or something. It's quite funny. So I came up with card select, card flip, and card state. $543? Oh no. I don't know what angle that is. Oh my word. Chat, look at this. Hello. Welcome back to all of you. We don't have time warp for now, but we will have time warp again, I promise. I will be bringing the time warp. Yeah, so that happened. Hold on 1 second, chat. Oh dear. F is for fun times. Honestly, like, I reinstalled OBS from scratch, by the way, okay? I reinstalled OBS from scratch, and still I get crashes. And I'm beginning to believe that there is a conflict between macOS itself and OBS. Anyway, doors, seats, wheels, and minimum age. We're gonna change minimum age to what should we change it to? What should we change minimum age to? Minimum age. We should change this to power. Okay. Yeah, so I don't know the exact reason for the crashes. I can see that in the logs there's some things happening with like focus and stuff like that. I just don't have the time to completely reinstall macOS. That's the problem. It would take me a long time to reconfigure everything, and I don't want to go through that right now. So that's the sad reality. I can't even disable preview. I can't even see the context menu for OBS. That's very bad. It probably will crash again, but for the moment, just gonna get rid of the vertical dock. That's good enough for now. Maybe because I have the windows popped out? I wonder. Who's Alex? Also, 4X. You said hi, Alex. Okay, so yeah. Seats. Let's start editing. This has 2 doors. It has 3 seats. It has 6 wheels. And it has 500 kilowatts. Oh, we should change the names while we're here. Cool Dig Truck X54. It costs $6.90 per day. You can hear me again, right, chat? It would be strange if you couldn't. Yeah, everything seems... I am live, no? Am I live? Yeah, okay. It would be strange, but yeah. Okay, so Cool Dig Truck X54. If you have suggestions for trucks, would any of you like to be named? Would any of you like to name a truck? I will give you the opportunity to name any of these vehicles. I'm currently editing the first one. If you want to pick one of the, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you want to pick one of them, I'm gonna say this one's already taken, so you can't take that one. But if you want to name one of these, oops. Pick a number and tell me which truck. Big Bagger. Big Bagger. Okay, let's take the second one. Let's call the second one Big Bagger. Big Bagger. It's a 5-star? No, I think it's going to be a 3-star machine. Sorry, Yost. It's going to be a 3-star machine. It's going to cost $1.99 a day. No, German Bagger. Okay, German Bagger. $1.99 a day. It has 2 doors. It has 2 seats. No, it's a 1-seater. It has 4 wheels. And the power is 90 kilowatts. Alright? Okay. Second one is taken. You want to get in on this action, chat, you gotta be quick. Alright, the third one is going to be called the Liftover Toronto. Yeah, Bucker. Yeah, but I know what you mean, but I'm reading it in English because this stream is in English, you know? That's all. So the Liftover Toronto is 301 per day. It has, technically speaking, 3 doors, because there's a door at the back, you don't see it. It has 4 seats. It has 4 wheels. And it has a power rating of 69 kilowatts. No, it actually should be more powerful than the other one. Maybe like 167 kilowatts. Okay, the third one is also taken. Oh, did this run out of battery? Maybe my iPad, maybe my iPencil. The 4 you want to be called Last Bill. Okay. Last Bill. Okay, hold on. Make this easier. These 3 are available. So Last Bill is Swedish for truck. Last Bill SE, because Sweden, okay? We're gonna give this a... We're gonna say this one has a 1-star rating. Sorry, J. Walter. So there needs to be some... No, 2 stars, fine, 2-star. This has a 2-star rating. This is gonna cost you...
Wow!
It's gonna cost you $20 a day. Okay. It has 2 doors. It has 3 seats. Yeah. It has 1, 2,
Garbage.
3, 4, 5, 10 wheels. Right? Yeah, 10 wheels. And it has a power rating of 7 kilowatts. 6 is garbage. No, 6 is not garbage. 6 is not garbage. 5 is Bob the Bagger. Okay, we can do that if you want. Bob the Bagger. Okay. Bob has 5 stars, obviously. No, Bob could be a 4-star. Well, we need something that has a 1-star. Something needs a 1-star rating. Maybe Bob gets a 1-star. Doesn't have good ratings. Bob costs $409 per day. Well, if we're gonna do that, we should just make it 420. Bob has 1 door and 1 seat, and Bob has 4 wheels, and Bob has 72 kilowatts of power. Okay, the last one in the list is going to be Expeditor Pro. Get it? Pivik Expeditor. 5-star. This one can be more of a 4-star, I think. More realistic. This one costs $10.49 a day. It has 3 doors, and it has 7 seats, believe it or not. It also has 8 wheels. Pro Max Ultra. Oh yeah, wait. Expeditor Pro Max Ultra. iTruck. Actually, if Apple were to design a truck, it would probably look something like this. To be honest, it's not that far off. If Apple were to design a truck, I don't know if they would write cool on it, but they would definitely make something that looks a bit like this. I feel like that is very Apple design. Is that? Do you think it's very Apple designy? I feel like it is. Yeah. Revolutionary. Three doors, 7 seats, 8 wheels. Warm head again. Power. Obviously it has a significant amount of power. It has 690 kilowatts. Does that make sense? I don't know. Maybe it doesn't make sense. No, it doesn't, actually. It has 3 kilowatts. It's not very powerful. But this truck with 7 doesn't make any sense. We're probably gonna have to bump this to like 780 or something. Yeah, okay. That's cool. Revolutionary Apple Truck Pro. Nice. Okay. How it works. How it works. You order the truck. You order the vehicle. We deliver it. Step 1, time and place. Step 2, vehicle. Step 2. Details, payment, delivery, whatever. Okay. Nice. So I think we have everything that's necessary. Okay, so the rent page is not in the index here. Maybe we could add that easily. I feel like it should be. I feel like it should be in there. So if we go to index, oh, let me just hold on. Git add, git commit, added, updated styling on MISC pages. Okay. Yeah. So here. Where's the menu? Here. This one, I feel like about services blog. I think we need a after the services bar. Instead of the blog probably, but we'll just add one. We'll call it rent. Rent.html. So if you're on home, you see rent, which takes you to rent. Perfect. Okay. So I'm gonna expand home and then about. No, that's the wrong spot. Okay, and then services. And then the rent page itself also needs a, where is it? With a class active, I think it was. There we go. And then the blog also needs it. And then the contact page also needs it. Where is it? There. After the services. Okay, so if you go to the blog and you go to a a single blog post. Ah, those also need it. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna update the blog as well because it's annoying me with the pictures. Images. Image 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Don't we have other images? I thought we'd have other images. Ah, we have people. We have people instead. Ah, no, the posts are much nicer. Let's do it with posts. Post 1. Yeah, see? That's much nicer. Post 1. Post 2. Post 3. Post 4, post 5, and post 6. Nice. Okay. And then instead of the best car rent, which is weird, just gonna replace this with blog post title. It's anyway lorem ipsum, so there we go. Cool. I think that's done now. Git add, git commit, updated blog post styling, blog page. Okay. Now we just have to try the forms after the deployment is done. Let's see if the deployment is finished or not. Starting up, building. Chat, you still alive? I know it's weird, huh? To have me back. It's a bit strange. It's a bit weird. It's not unprecedented because other people do stream and like do stuff. But it's been like a month, so probably feels a bit weird. Okay. Person 1. G. Please dig me a hole. Thanks. Do you know if he's noticed that the sound isn't working? Are you trolling? Are you trolling? You better be trolling, chat. Where's the other form? Contact. Person again. Ga. I want an even larger hole than last time. Send message. Submitted. Okay, let's check the forms. Get offer. Person 1, please dig me a hole. Thanks. Good. Okay, delete. And contact us. Person again. I want an even larger hole than last time. Good. Okay. Then it works. It hasn't worked for weeks, it's true. It hasn't. So I think the handy person site is ready to be deployed. So let's go to GitHub demo handy person. Pull requests. Squash and merge. Successfully merged. Git checkout main. Commit your changes. DS store. Get out of here. Git stash. Git pull. There we go. Okay, we have a clean working tree. We can discard our local copy of the site. Now we can go to demohandyperson.netlify.app and we have our wonderful site. Now, chat, I want to prepare you because next week, chat, you are going to need to click the crap out of this site. you're going to need to click everything on this web page. For like 20 minutes. Okay, maybe not 20 minutes, but I'm gonna need your help because you have to help me collect data about the site. Okay? Because I can't click everything on my own. I need like different browsers, I need, you know, desktop, I need mobile. Well, with the collective power of chat, we can do it, right? We can definitely do it. I know that we can. It's definitely possible. There's no point in doing it yet. There's no point in doing it yet because there's no tracking on it yet. I'm happy with this, what we did. I think it's pretty cool. I think it's pretty good. It's a nice little demo site. I could see someone using it for their business, to be honest. Yeah. I think that's it for me today, chat. I'm very tired somehow. I'm very tired. And I think we should raid out. Let's see if this works. So if I switch to my ending scene. Doesn't look like it's working. Doesn't look like it's working. Oh, yes, it is. Okay, here we go. Do you want me to send you some fake traffic directly to Pivik Pro? We can see if they can do anti-spam. We could try that, I guess. We could. We could try that, I guess. Yeah. Let me find someone to raid. Let's see who's on here. French. Oh, look, that's me. Haha. What an interesting layout. Is a really crappy stream title. Horrible stream title. Project Decision Maker. Oh, that's German. Coffee shop game dev. There's a lot of game dev in this category now. It's very hard. Oh, JD's on. Nice. I think we're gonna go JD. So we're gonna go to jd.dev. JD does dev, sorry. JD is one of the members of the Claw. So that should be cool. I wish all of you a very nice time zone. I don't know what it is for you, what time zone it is. I know it's a little bit early, a little bit of a short stream, but I'm very tired actually. It's been, yeah, getting back into the rhythm of things for stream. I will see you all on Friday for the Data Cafe. I've done my best to collate as many interesting articles as possible, and not only stuff that happened 10 years ago, but also stuff that's happened more recently and like updating them and not taking articles that are already outdated and stuff like that. So I look forward to seeing all of you on Friday, hopefully, for an episode of the Data Cafe. And if not, I really hope to see you next Monday. And if not, we will catch each other in the Discord, where I am often co-working, although not tomorrow, because I'll be in the office tomorrow. But yeah, let's go say hi to JD, and I'll see you in a bit. Take care, chat.